Hello everybody, and welcome to the fast track for setting up your dashboard on mywojemoney.com. Let's go straight to it so that we can do this quick and teach you well. First thing I'm doing is I'm going to mywojemoney.com. I'm going to click on New to Woje, sign up here. Enter my name. This is a simple process. Make sure that the phone number that you're using is one that can receive text message. Of course, it also does it to your email. Choose a password. Confirm password. There's a coupon code, you can enter that. Check the box and hit create account. Now what it's doing right now is it's actually building a database, your own private database. It's a protection piece within the software. So it just sent me a SMS. Okay, so I'm in the dashboard. It's asking me right now if I've verified my email. So an email has been sent to me. I'll click on that. Remember, all this is security. So make sure that once you're linked to the banking system, that it is secure. Okay, so then we click verify. My email has been verified, and it goes straight into the 4-step process in order to set up your bank. So right now it's in the profile. If you look in the back, it's the profile that's set up. You can hear Scott Christopher talk about the dashboard and about being able to move within the dashboard. But let's get started directly into setting up your business. You've got your bank details. This is the information of where money's going to be deposited to. You have your business details. This is your corporate structure. Are you a sole proprietor? Are you an LLC? Are you a C Corp? And then you have business owners. Business owners is if the banking system wants to know, is there anyone else that owns 20% or more of your business? And then the final one is the controller. Who's responsible for this dashboard? So let's get started. First, information. So I'm going to put in my bank information. Routing number. Now for the routing number, it's really easy to do. You just go into Google. I'm going to type in MACU because I know that that's the acronym, and there's MACU routing number. From there, bank address. This information here is not really needed, so I'm going to bypass this. Now business detail. What's the legal name of my business? Well, I don't have a business. Let's say that I don't. So I'm just going to call it Scott Johnson. Oops, can't even spell my own name. All of this information needs to be correct too, because if it's not, it's going to error out and not allow you to build your financial institution. So double check everything as you go along. And I don't have a website, so I'm not going to worry about that. Business type. So here it is. Corporation, like C Corp, S Corp. Nonprofit. So I'm a sole proprietor. I'm going to say I'm a sole proprietor, and I would put in my social security number. And business classifications. Now this is something that could hang you up. I wouldn't worry too much about it. This is just government wanting to know, what kind of businesses are due. I'm going to say that it is, just to make it easier, it is arts and crafts stuff, airbrush. And then arts and crafts supplies, antiques, just anything that matches close. Let's say it's digital art. Let's say that mine was an off thing. It's airbrushing boats, okay? Does it really matter where I'm at in this? No, I'll just say it's art dealers and gallery. I could do that. So simple as that. Doesn't have to be exact. Move on to the next step. So federal banking laws require this next information. So let's hit next step. Now we're on to business owner. Who is it? It's me again. There we go. Position, I'm the owner, even though it's a sole proprietor. Now I can upload documents. Now, passport, license, ID card, anything that you have that I'm going to do my license. I'll choose a file. Open. Okay. And then on to the next step. Who's responsible? So now it's asking me. No, I haven't put any other business owners in, so it's just me. So I leave it on Scott Johnson and I hit submit. Lets me know that I've finished, and now I can go straight to my dashboard. And I'm now ready, waiting for my micro deposits. Once the micro deposits come, I can go into my profile, which is at the top right hand. It's your initials. Now, in order to verify it, you're going to go into SJ like I did. You're going to go to the top right hand corner. You're going to click verify bank, and you're going to put in the 2 deposits there. Or you can click here and also do it. And that's basically the setup. Once that's done, you're automatically able to come back to the dashboard, and there will be the terms template that you're able to click on. And as soon as you've verified your bank account, it'll pop up to where you can download it as a PDF or as a Word document so that you're able to edit it and set up your first contract. In the meantime, you'll be receiving several emails. These emails are going to teach you exactly what to do to prepare you so that as soon as you're able to download your terms template, you can move forward with doing your first contract immediately. Thank you.